you ready, baby panda? Yum, yum, yummy cake. Both of us, let's bake a cake. In a sunny kitchen, bright and wide, Chinnu grabs a bowl with pride. Baby panda waddles in, wearing a chef's hat and a grin. Let's make a cake, hooray, hooray. Yum, yum cake, I'll help today. Mix it, stir it, what a treat. Flour and sugar, oh so sweet. Crack the eggs and pour the milk. Butter smooth just like silk. Stir it up and do a wiggle. Butterflies, we laugh and giggle. Panda grabs a banana bunch. Wait, that's not for cake, it's for lunch. They pour the batter into a heart-shaped pan and place it in the oven. They dance around the kitchen for a little tune of mix it, stir it, bake it slow. Soon the yummy cake will grow. Mix it, stir it, what a treat. Flour and sugar, oh so sweet. Spread the icing pink and neat. Sprinkle rainbow on top to eat. Cherry goes right on the peak. Oops, Panda ate 3 this week. Now the cake is ready to share. They each get a slice, a perfect pair. High five hands with happy cheer, baking buddies all through the year.